Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't put the backdrop today. I was just too lazy to do it. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a DIY charcoal face mask. People are actually using activated charcoal all over the world for many purposes like face mask, detanning, teeth whitening, and God knows what. I have tried using it and it is actually really helpful. It is really nice. Charcoal is really nice. It can be used for skin lightening, for exfoliating your skin. It also takes care of oily skin and basically it removes all the dirt and impurities from the skin, so it helps in reducing acne and redness and other blemishes. So in today's video, I'm not gonna make a charcoal peel off mask. I'm just gonna make a normal face mask, and I'm not making the peel off mask because it is really drying and I have dry skin, so that will not work for me. So to make this face mask, you need activated charcoal tablets, honey and water. And if you wanted to make a peel off mask, then instead of honey you'll use gelatin. Okay, so I have crushed the charcoal tablets and I've put it in a container. Now I will add very little amount of warm water to it, and I just want to make a paste out of it, and it should not be too watery or it should not be too liquidy. Now I will add very little amount of honey to it so that it is not drying for my super dry skin. Now I'll mix it well with a brush and apply it. Now I will leave it for at least 10 minutes and then I'll wipe it off with a cold towel. Okay, so it has been around 15 minutes and I can feel that it has dried. So I'm gonna remove it. It definitely takes some effort to remove. Anyways, I can feel that my nose is like really smooth right now, and I also feel it is clean, like it just feels clean. Okay, seriously, trust me, it is a really nice thing and it is so simple to make. You just need charcoal tablets and you can get those from any chemist shop, and it is so affordable. Like one tablet comes for around 1 or 2 rupees and you need around maybe 6 tablets to cover your whole face. So it's a face mask in 6 rupees because you can find honey and water at home obviously. So it is really nice. It is amazing. Okay, so that will be all for today's video. I really hope that you found this video helpful and I really hope that you try this out because I love it and I hope you also love it. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and most importantly subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.